How to upload a font to Canva. Let's get into it. First things first, go ahead and create a text layer in Canva. With this text layer selected, it will open up all the text and font properties above here. The one that we're interested in is the actual font properties. With this selected, you can then see all of the different font styles down on the right. The option that we're interested in here is the Upload a Font button. By clicking on this, it's going to open up your Finder or Windows Explorer window, and all you need to do is locate the font that you have downloaded to your machine. With the font selected, you can go ahead and choose Open, and then Canva is going to ask for you to confirm that you have permissions to use this font within Canva. Go ahead and choose Yes, Upload Away, and then Canva is going to load in the font. Now what I'm going to do is select this text that I've created and then search for my new font. And there you can see Canva has changed my font to the new font that we just uploaded. And that's all there is to it.
If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.